everybody.
Mariachi Monday. We're going to make tacos.
Marinade. It was all those ingredients that you guys saw on the plate, which was some peppers, olives, onion, garlic, olive oil, cilantro, and just some other awesome seasonings. And so we're going to put this on here and let it sit for a couple hours before we pop it in the oven. And we'll be back. Go marinating our pork shoulder with those awesome, yummy ingredients.
For tacos.
For tacos. It's a 5-pound pork shoulder, all natural, that I got from Walmart for $7. Okay, it's halfway cooked. We are going to take the foil off and let it cook the rest of the time without the foil so it can get good and crunchy. With vegetables from our garden. Okay, I take my cabbage leaves and I core out my cabbage first. Then I peel the leaves off and I take this hard ribbon and kind of take it off.
Taco shell.
Make a taco shell. Grate up some cheese. Okay, let's make some keto pork tacos. I also made some pickled cabbage, just with some cabbage, salt, vinegar, and a little bit of water. And it wilts down and it's awesome to go with tacos.
Taco slaw.